Hey creative friends, today I want to share with you this book that I just got in the mail, The Color Mixing Companion by Josie Lewis. I'm super excited. It's a brand new book and I just barely flipped through it and I was like, I just have to share this. Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my channel. So friends, let's get started. I have the new Color Mixing Companion. Explore and create fresh and vibrant color palettes with paint, collage, and mixed media by Josie Lewis. Now I have a lot of art books and art learning books in my stash of books. I really have a lot. I should put a picture up there or something. And I've been thinking about sharing them with you, and I just haven't done it yet. But I really wanted to share this one with you. As soon as I got it, I was super excited. I flipped it open. It has fantastic color and pages. And so I just wanted to share with you. And this is not really a book review per se, but it's more like, hey, here's a book that I have that I think I'm going to love, and maybe you'll love it too. So this is the book I'm talking about today, the new Color Mixing Companion, Josie Lewis. Now I like this book already because of the cover. Josie Lewis paints rainbows. Many of her paintings are rainbow kind of style paintings. And I also love it because it's Josie Lewis. Now, you may not know who Josie Lewis is. She is an Instagram rock star, basically. She's very well known on Instagram for her paintings. She does lots of process videos. And she also has a YouTube channel, which I will put a link down below so that you can go and check out her videos. She loves color, process, and materials. You will hear her say in her videos. And I can tell you a little bit about her just from following her for a little while. She is a little bit snarky in a funny way, and she doesn't mind stirring up a little bit of mischief and talking about some things that may be, controversial in the art world, such as wasting paint. In the grand scheme of things, that may not be a big deal, but when you're an artist, you don't want to waste your paint. She talks about wasting paint. So she's a lot of fun. I enjoy following her on Instagram and YouTube, and I have not only her book, but also her watercolor set, if I can find that. Here's her watercolor set. Really nice colors, lots of fun, very vibrant on this side, more muted on this side, and just fabulous. And I love these. They're great. And so anyway, that's enough about that. You know now that I love Josie Lewis from the start. That's why I got her books. That's why I got her watercolor. So let's kind of flip through and see what we've got here. She does have a rainbow theme, and this book has beautiful pictures. You'll see she has starter projects, then like level 2 projects. It is full of tutorials and projects, and then some other things about sharing your work. She has templates for her patterns that you can use, which is pretty awesome. Not everyone would share those. And so let's kind of flip through. As I said, beautiful photos. And she does a lot of pattern painting with watercolor, but she also uses other mediums. And she's pretty much a color expert. She understands light and value and tone and all of those things that you need to understand about color, and she teaches a little bit about that in this book, The Mother Method. I don't know what that is yet. Like I said, I haven't had a chance to read it, but I like her personality that she has shining through in here. So a little bit of talk about supplies and collage, and I'll just flip through that. I don't want to give away the whole book. And then some projects, straight into the projects, only a very small section of materials and introduction, and then here are the projects. So here we go. Acrylics, yummy acrylics. This is where she talks a little bit about paint wasting. She talks about it on some Instagram posts too, but she basically says, hey, you're going to use your paint, you might as well accept that you're going to use what you bought, and that way you can just move on and make some art. So she demonstrates with all this step-by-step photos, and it's beautiful. And she shows how to tag her with hashtag color companion to tag your projects. And so I'll just flip through a little bit more. So there are lots of projects: watercolor, collage, value studies, and all kinds of things. It's full. Those are all these. Look at that. These are all basically, how many pages is that? 20, 50 pages of projects for level 1, so to speak. And then level 2 projects, another 50 pages of that or more. So these are a little bit more complex. And you notice, though, all of the beautiful photos, and it's just a lot of eye candy if you decide to buy this book, but it's also very fun projects. So I don't know. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Faded hex, working with neutrals. Yeah, really pretty. And then here are templates. So I don't know how well that shows up on the camera, but basically she has a lot of templates she uses, so you can try her patterns that she's been doing. I wouldn't try them in the book. I would just use them as tracing or scan and print or something like that to get those on the paper, and then you can paint them and see if you can try her projects. And you can paint them in your own way. So much fun. I'm really excited to dive into this book. There's a little bit about Josie. She's an artist working in Minnesota. Yeah, she uses a lot of different type of media, painting, mixed media, film. Oh, she also does resin art, makes beautiful petri dishes, and just really beautiful. And then, of course, she wrote this fabulous book, which I wanted to share with you. So I'll leave links below. It will be an affiliate link for Amazon, which means I'll get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you will be helping support this channel if you use that link, if you decide to purchase this book. And I will also leave the link to her website, and you can actually get a signed copy of her book if you order through her website. So that might be something fun to do if you decide you really like her. But there you have it, the beautiful new color mixing companion by Josie Lewis. I'm really excited about this book, and so I had to share it with you. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye. Oh, let me know if you want to see more of my art books, because like I said, I have a lot of art learning books, from watercolor to mixed media and drawing and pastel and almost everything. I love beautiful books. And so if you are interested in me doing videos for that, please leave a comment below and let me know, because I've been thinking about doing that for a while, but I just wasn't really sure if you would like to see them. Okay, so thanks so much. I'll see you very soon. Don't forget to hit that bell so you'll know when I post videos, and see you later. Bye.